Good day, and welcome to Ken's Hobby. Well, finally came the time. My son moved out, and along with him moving out, of course he was running the server in the house. Well, just before he moved out, he gave me this unit. It was from his former job. Told me that it can be made as a server. So that's my project. My next project will be now is to make a server. So I've ordered what I need for this unit. Here's my SSD. I get tongue twisted on that all the time. And I'm going to put the operating system on. Gonna take some of the components out of here as I took and checking this unit out to see what I needed. Found out it was to be it's a dual processor in this unit. It only had one processor here, so I ordered a second processor that goes in here. It's a Xeon processor and more RAM. So I got 4 more sticks of RAM that I'm waiting to arrive. Ordered the RAM and the processor. This one comes over and he says, hey, I didn't notice a fan coming in the package. Usually all with CPUs, a fan comes with the purchase of the CPU. He says, oh, not anymore. You got to order the fan separate. So I have to go back on line and now to get this back in here. I'm keeping these components hidden in the tray, so I have to get one of these. Well, you think I could find one of these? No, so I took the measurements between the mounting screws and started looking for one. The dimensions, some of them were so high, so I had to consider the depth that I got to work with this unit. This case is a very well built case. I'm very impressed with the build of this case. It's a I get tongue twisted on that. Where's that tag? Lenovo. If that's pronounced right. I don't know if you can see this, but there's the diagram of the basic layout. There's the 2 CPUs in it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sticks of RAM, which of course is all DDR3. Oh, there's the brand new kit right there. As I said about the SSD for the operating system, and I bought me a 6 terabyte drive to put my data on. I got a person that always comes over and hang around here, known to be hot fingers, so this is why I keep, until I'm ready to put this unit together, I just throw the stuff in here and keep the lid on it to hide it, so to speak of. Alright, I turned this around. Now which way did I turn this? Oh, this way. What I love about the fact of why I'm going to keep this unit in the cabinet is this little tab right here. I have a perfect lock inside that I can put on it so that it's under lock and key. The whole reason I'm building that unit, like I said, he took the old server with him because it's his unit. Now, the issue that I have now is my unit in the shop. Just quickly show you. That unit right there. On this unit here, I'm running Windows 11 on it, the dual monitors. In the house, in the basement of the house, my other unit. And I'm running good old Windows XP on it. And the whole reason why, and I'm going to say it bluntly here, why I don't like 11, and I do like 11. So it has its positives, but it also has a lot of negatives, a lot of things. This new version of Windows 11 I cannot no longer do like I can on the old XP unit in the house. I still can do more with Windows XP than I can on with Windows 11. And one example I'll give you. All my records are recorded as MP3s. The newest record I bought, I went to record it on Windows 11 here, and when I went to play it back, it was nothing but garble. My unit in the house would not access my files on this, even though I got sharing of the two units together. The weird part is, I can access my Windows XP from my Windows 11 unit here. Despite me setting my folder sharing on my unit in the shop, only 2 folders allows me access from the XP unit to this unit, which is on 11. That I still cannot figure out why. The other big thing too, why I keep XP on there. When I recorded a record, we're going to call this the cover. So this is the cover of the record. Well, I got to scan it for division. So section 1 would be this corner scanned. Then I'd have to move it over, scan that quarter. Then turn it around, scan this quarter. Move it over, scan the final quarter. Now, using the Paint program on Windows XP, I can join these 4 together to overlap them and make them one file so it looks like that. The new Paint program on Windows 11 will not, and I repeat, will not let you do that, nor make it 500 by 500, so the end result is like that. With my unit on there, I can resize it there along with picture at 7, make that unit 500 by 500, so full cover is in one big nice file, so you could read the fine print such as this with it. The media player in Windows 11, they try to take that big word, and we're going to use this word kilo for example. We're going to use this letter O. Gets me so frustrated because first of all, well, let's finish here. There's the O. But you can read what I got written in the middle of this O and all that. The new media player on Windows 11 squeezes it to a size. I haven't got anything around here, but to give you an example, the closest half the size of this staple block. Now, try to read that, a little tiny spot like that, especially what I've got written in the center of this O. Now, as I said, I'll get back to this word. That is one word, kilo, the phonetic alphabet. K is kilo. How in the devil name? First of all, kilo means exactly 1,000. What is that letter? I ask, what is that letter? And second, are not the vowels A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y? So if this word is kilo, how in the devil's name do you people call that letter O as ah, and only in one word? If you people are going to be so ignorant as to say kilometer, and meter means distance, gram means weight, both means exactly that. So if you're going to say that for meters, why aren't you saying it for the rest of the terms? And I got the example written here. It's the same word. That word does not change. For kilowatt, kilojoule, kilopascal, kilogram, what is the difference? Did that letter change in any of the last few words I just said? No. Once again, that letter is O. Find ah and find a word in the Webster's dictionary, and then come back and jump on me, because I don't want to see any comment about that. I am telling you the truth. Golly! Well, golly gee. Still waiting for my parts to come in to put that thing together. So rather than waiting, who knows how long it's going to take, I thought I'd post this first part of this video now instead of later, as I was going to wait later to make it all one. But it's been quite a while since I posted, so I'd rather post it now in 2 parts than waiting. So that being said, hope you like. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for second part of this when the parts arrive. Till then, adios.